I'm a lucky boy. I've spoilt myself lately. I've bought myself a new showy helmet. It's the GT Air 2. Was going to go for a flip front, but I thought with the camera, if I'm riding around with it up, which probably would do quite a bit, you're going to get an awful lot of footage of the sky. So I also bought myself the Tech Radar. No, it's not. Tech Ride. Thank you, sir. I don't know. It's on the community page anyway. They do a purpose-built chin mount that follows the contours of the helmet. So I bought that. That's stuck on. We left that for 24 hours before we clamped anything onto it. It gets it a lot closer to the helmet. The camera's not so far away, and it's not on loads of link bars. Look at that. Hang on, which way shall I turn to make it easy for you? That way. There's only the one link bar, so it's not sticking out miles. Because it's on the front and doesn't start round the side, I had to have that many bars to bring it back round the front and get the angle right. You might also notice this rather fetching jacket. It's I bought myself a summer jacket, a mesh one. It's an Oxford Arizona Air. Very nice too. It should have been £100, and I was lucky enough to go in uniform. And he said, "Oh, emergency services, sir." I said, "Clearly." So he knocked £20 off for me, which was rather nice. So got it for £80 in the end. But it's lovely feeling this nice breeze coming through the mesh on me titties. It's nothing worse than having sweaty man boobs. Right, I wanted to go out for a ride. I've only just got home from work. I had to take the car in. So I wanted to test. Because there's only me, nobody else, I've paired my Cardo to the phone using the Cardo app. And while it's connected to that, I've sorry. Yeah, so it's connected to the Cardo app, and then I'm also using the voice recorder on the phone. So I'm hoping that that's recording me through my Cardo mic. I've also got in my top box another Cardo linked up to a voice recorder. So we'll see what that's picking up and see how that does. I've also got the microphone which is going straight to the DJI camera, which I normally have. I fancy in this helmet it sounds a bit muffled. It may be that I'll change that microphone for the hammer mic that I've got. Oh my god, look at this lot. Still, we won't be sitting in it, that's for sure. So it's a case of seeing what audio we can get the best. Stay there. So we shall see. Nice.
Taking my time as the sun it shines on me and everyone that has come to find this world is cruel, but there's nothing new. Living in the moment is the only truth. But let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. But let's go slow. Salted towns are where I'd rather be. They give me love and they set me free. The ocean's tides can't live without the moon. And darling, the same goes for me and you. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. Now. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth.